So John spent 2/5 of his money on 16 pence. The ratio of the cost of a ruler to the cost of a pen is 2:3. How many rulers can he buy with the rest of his money? So first, this represents the proportion of his money. 2/5 meaning that John's money can be divided into 5 parts, of which 2 parts were used to buy 16 pence. All right. The rest of this money is, the question is, the rest of his money can buy how many rulers? So this, I will use the remainder theory to solve. Okay, assuming the question do not have the word obviously in exams, the word remainder theory they will not tell the question is using remainder theory. How do you know this question uses remainder theory, even though there is no word here that says remainder? The trick is this: rest of his money, and then he spent 2/5. So the question states that he spent 2/5 of his money, and then the rest of his money, meaning the rest must be the remainder. So the idea of remainder theory should come to your mind, that you can use a remainder theory to solve. And when you use a remainder theory to solve, you use model. Okay. So now that's one thing. Another information you read is this: 2:3. You'll notice this is about the price of the ruler and the pen, meaning the cost of a ruler and the cost of a pen, the ratio is 2:3. This is essentially telling you the price of one ruler compared to one pen. So example, if the price of a ruler is $2, the price of a pen will be $3. If the price of a ruler is 20 cents, the price of a pen will be 30 cents. Basically, this is just telling you the price of one ruler versus one pen in units. Okay. So start off with the model, the statement 1. That's the first statement. So let's break up John's money into 5 parts, of which 2 parts over here is used to buy 16 pence. The rest will be here. The rest of his money will be here. And I shall call it remainder. I'll come to that later. So the next information here, the cost of a ruler to a cost of a pen is 2:3. I record it this way: 2:3. So I know that the price of a ruler is 2 units, the price of a pen is 3 units. Okay, what is the unit? We can worry about that later, but the price of a ruler for now, I call it 2 units. Price of a pen for now is 3 units. Okay, this is the rest of his money. I call it remainder. All right, the question is, I'm going to redraw this. This is the rest of his money. And question is, how many rulers can he buy with the rest of his money? Now, I need to know how many units is all this, right? How much is this? To know how much is this, I work with this 6 pence first. 6 pence has a total value of 16. Sorry, 16 pence has a total value of 16 multiplied by 3 units. So 16 multiplied by 3 units, you get 48 units. Okay? And this is 48 units. So I shall divide by 2 to get 1 part. So this is 24 units each, meaning these 3 will be 24 units each as well. Therefore, the total of the remainder has a value of 24 units times 3, 72 units. The question is, with this remaining, or with the rest of the money here, how many rulers can John buy? And each ruler has a price of 2 units. So with 72 units, you can buy how many rulers? 72 divided by 2 units. You can buy 36 rulers. So that's how you read the question and solve it. This is basic approach. Now let's look at question number 2, everybody. So it's not 40, it's not 20. Okay, let me explain. So Yenny spends 3/5 of her money on 30 erasers. Again, the money is divided into 5 parts. 3 parts were used to purchase 30 erasers. Now, this question a pen costs twice as much as an eraser, meaning the pens is a value of one pen has a value of 2 units and one eraser has a value of 1 unit. How many pens can she buy with the remaining money? Okay, this is clear. Remaining meaning you are using remainder theory. Therefore, you have to use model. Okay, the word remaining is now very direct. You have to use model. So I'm going to use model. I'm going to draw a bar to represent Yenny's money, and I'm going to divide it into 5 parts because it says here 3/5 of the money on 30 erasers. 5 parts. 3 parts is to buy 30 erasers. So 30E here. Okay, the second statement tells you the price of a pen to the price of a ruler, eraser, which is 2:1. Okay, twice means 2, eraser is 1. So price of a pen is 2 units, price of an eraser is 1 unit. The rest of the money or the remaining money over here, I redraw it below, and this is to buy pens, right? How many pens? Question mark, pens. Now to know this, to know how many pens, I need to know how much is the remainder. Okay, to do that, I can start with this. 30 erasers has a value of 30 multiplied by 1 unit because this is the price of a 1 eraser. Okay, now 30 units is 3 parts here. So each part is 10 units. Therefore, the remainder will be 10 units here and 10 units here. The entire remainder will be 20 units. Question is, how many pens can 20 units buy? Each pen is 2 units. So 20 divided by 2, you can buy 10 pens. Okay, easy.